traditional for women affairs. I want to recreate this look for the reason, yeah, I have this because I have kata and I need to block my nose so that I'll be able to be comfortable. Let's recreate this look together. As you can see, the look is very calm, very subtle, nothing much happening, but still cute and very classy. So I need to loosen my hair. I have to make a slick back one. Yeah. So let's loosen my hair. I made this hair myself, and it's not even up to 2 weeks I made the hair. And it's looking so bad. Yeah. And I haven't retouched my hair in a long time. So this slick back one, oh, take a lot. Let's get right into it. So I'm currently done with loosening my hair. I have the fullest hair. Doesn't go top long, just full like annoying. So I need to create a small pattern here. Yes. Very small neat pattern. Is to create a neat pattern. They use edge control to make it neat. It should be straight. It should be straight. So, I think it's neat enough. So I had to make the first.
I'm just praying for this rubber not to cut, because if it cuts, hey, I have to start afresh. I don't have this strength. Oh my god. So I'm currently done with the back bone.
No, I'm using rubber bands because I don't have a strong rope. My hair is thick, that's why it's very hard to hold. Okay. So these are the bands I'm using. These elastic bands. These are for baby. It's like a baby girl's band. Manifesting a baby girl. Okay, so she made her sleeve bun up. This one up enough. Right. So the other one. You see why I needed to retouch my hair? Because this place will now. I think it was successful. I need to put so I want to use this. I want to use it because it's stronger than the Eco gel. I don't know, Eco gels are now trash. They don't have strong. So it should be too like full of gel because her own looks a little natural. You get. Can you see that? So making brown, it's slicking back effortlessly. So I don't know what she did at the bone side, but I'm gonna like do anything I want, right? So I think I'm done with the bone. Very neat, right? So I'm gonna have to put this adhesive spray so at least it will stay for 1 day. So I'm going to put scarf over it. This is so cute. Let me put scarf over it so you can hold till I'm done with my makeup. I have gotten the hair secured. It is now time to do my makeup. This is the first time I'll be doing my brows in a long time. Hey, I don't even know how to do it before. Now would be worse. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do exactly what she did. Let's go. So the hair is laid already and I'm doing my makeup. Something happened. I didn't know that this it's not foundation, what's the name? Mattifying primer was expensive. Like when I went to buy it, I bought it with this one, this all nighter. So they now told me the price. I was wondering why the all nighters is so that like that expensive. But now I had to ask them which one because which one is expensive. The girl said it's this small one that's expensive. Eh? Look up to there. It's becoming expensive. I don't know why I keep breaking out. Am I pregnant? Eh? I'll be concealing my brows for the first time in like 2 years, and I'll be using this Mini Band concealer. I got this 2 years ago, and I just recently started making up. And fun fact, I don't even own a makeup brush. So let me try. The brush I have, it's not very. That's the brush I have. It's not like a concealer brush. It's not blunt color. Remember, we are going for a very subtle look. So I already have my concealer on my brows. So if you look at her face, you see she has like a little concealer. And anywhere you put concealer, you have to set. Okay? So I'm done with this part. I will use my contour. I don't know if she has contour on. Uh, this one is from Amari Code. It seems they make good. Her blush was looking so calm and whatever. I'm supposed to wear blush first before this one. I forgot. So I'm going to do a very simple blush look. It's looking confusing, right? Do I have blush on? To look like you don't have anything. For her lips, it's looking like a no lipstick look. I don't know how to explain it. It's too mild. But I know she has a lot on. Let's try it out. I think there is a brown um oh, is that red? Since it's red. Okay. Let's try. I mixed the red and brown. Did I get it? I'll be trying out this lipstick from Woody Cosmetics. It's actually a gift from them when I bought clothes from them. It's not looking really like it. It still looks like I have something on. I want to try out some colors here. So, I'm currently done with the makeup. I think I need a big hoop. A hoop. I don't even have hoops, can you imagine? This black turtleneck is borrowed. It's borrowed from my household. I need hoops.
So I'm currently done with my makeup and my dressing. Do you think it looks like what she's putting on? Do you think the commissioner will like my dress?